Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see practice 6 about Roman numerals. Okay. So Roman numerals are different than our numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these numerals from Hindu-Arabic number. So it is from Arabs. Okay. So they use symbols rather than numbers. They use given different symbols to the different number. For example, 1, I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Okay, writing numbers from 1 to 39. So there are some rules to write these Roman numerals. Okay, first one, the numerals I and X can be repeated up to 3 times. Repetition means addition. So 1 and I and X can be repeated only 3 times. Okay, that's for addition. See, X, X, X for example. So you can't write more than this. Okay, it means 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Next rule, when a numeral is written after a bigger numeral, their value are added. So when numeral is written after bigger numeral 5, so we have to add 5 plus 1 plus 1. So we have to add, that is 7. How to write 7? 5, 1, 1. Okay, V, 1, 1. XVI. XVI means X means 10, V means 5, 1, I means 1. Total 16. Understood? We have to, values should be added. Okay. Third rule, when a numeral is written before a bigger numeral, the value of a smaller numeral is subtracted from the value of a bigger numeral. Okay, when you write a bigger numeral, after the number you have to add. Okay, but when the numeral is written before a bigger numeral, now we wrote 5, 1 I is written here, so we have to subtract this. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So IV is 4. The same way IX is 9. How to do this? 10 minus 1. Okay, we have to subtract this. Okay. Next, rule 4. When a numeral is placed between two bigger number, its value is subtracted from the value of a numeral on the right. Okay. Numeral right ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. We have to take the value of a right one. X, X, I, X. So X 10, X 10. Next I, X. So we have to take right one. 10 minus 1 is 9. So answer is 29. Understood? Let's do practice 6. Write the Roman numerals. 18. How to write 18? X. X, V, I. Okay. 36. X, 30. 5 plus 1. 6. 36. Next 25. X, V. Next 27. XX V11 XX 25 6, 7. 27. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals. We have to write it in numerals. What is this? 10. 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 25. 5, 6, 7, 8. 28. Okay. Next. 10, 10, 10, 20. 20. What is this? We have to minus from the right. 5 minus 1. 4. So answer is 24. Okay. Next, this is 30. X, 10, 10, 10, 30. So X, 10, 5, 15, 17. Understood? Next, use the Roman number system rules to complete the table. Using that, what we learned, that rules, we have to apply that rules here and to have to write. Okay, complete this table. So 1, there is no rules for 1, so don't write. 2 already given. So 3. What's the rules? We have to add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Next, 4. 5 minus 1. 5, 1, 1. 6. 5 plus 1. Next, 7. V 1 1 I 5 plus 1 plus 1. Next, 8. V I 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And 9th, how to write that? 10 minus 1. 10. 10. 10 plus 1. 12. 12. 10 plus 1 plus 1. 13. X I. Okay. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 14. 10 plus 5 minus 1. 4. 15. 3. 10 plus 5. 16. 10 plus 5 plus 1. X V I. 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. 18. I. 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Next, 19. 10 plus in bracket 10 minus 1. Next 20. X. Next 21, 22. X, I. 10 plus 1 plus 1. 23. X, I. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 24. XXV 25. Next 26. Ten plus 5 plus 1. 27. XX VII 10 plus 28. XX VII 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Next 29. 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1. 30. 10 plus 10 31. XXXX1 plus 10 plus 1. 32. Ten plus 10 30 plus 1 plus 1 32. 33. XXXI 34. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 5 minus 1 4. Okay. XXXV 35. 35. XXX 36. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 36. 37. XX VII 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 7. 38. XX 30 V 35 1 38. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. 39. 30 ix 39. Understood? This is about chapter practice 6 and worksheet. Next, worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 is homework for you. Okay, you have to do it in your home. It's very easy regarding all what we done in the last 6 practices. Okay, if you didn't understand the answer, if you don't know the answer, I'll upload this in my WhatsApp group. You can check it from my WhatsApp group. So WhatsApp group link is in my description. You can go through it. Okay, I'll upload this in my WhatsApp group, answers. Okay, so tomorrow we will start second lesson, addition and subtraction. Thank you.